Here's a simple DIY deep conditioner to help you take your dry summer hair to nourished, bouncy, lustrous hair. And the key ingredient for this is coconut milk, and you're going to want to get one that has the highest percentage of coconut as possible. Coconut milk contains a wide range of essential nutrients that help to nourish the hair follicles and boost hair growth. Coconut milk helps to moisturize and as well as provide a nourishment to the hair. When used regularly on dry, damaged hair, it helps to restore shine. Hibiscus helps to strengthen your hair. It promotes hair growth. It treats dry, itchy scalp. It helps to improve the thickness of your hair, as well as making your hair more bouncier. It also helps to combat hair loss. Honey is a humectant, which means that it helps to draw moisture into your hair. And that's pretty much all you need for this deep conditioner, but I'm gonna go a step further and boost it, and this is completely optional. Amla, which is high in vitamin C, it helps to strengthen your follicles. It improves the overall appearance of your hair. Add in some bamboo extract, which is very high in silica, which is perfect for your hair. Black seed oil, which helps with hair growth. It helps with a host of other benefits. Rosemary extract for increased circulation, which helps to stimulate hair growth, and it also helps with dry, itchy scalp. Ginger essential oil, which is loaded with hair healthy vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, potassium, and phosphorate. Ginger contains fatty acids, which help to improve hair's shine and sheen. And that's pretty much all you need for your smoothie bowl, packed full of nutrients to really nourish and restore your hair. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. If you like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and join our family of healthy hair care practices. And yeah, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.
Future's golden. Don't let go, don't give it up, just keep holding. Even when you've had enough, I will be your light. When you're low, I'll lead you home, Chariot. Take you back to where you're from, Chariot. One step forward on the road ahead of us. Don't look back, no. You just need a bit of luck. Oh, oh, tonight. When you're low, I'll lead you home, Chariot. Take you back